You guys, it is morning, about 8 in the morning, and I have a big surprise for you all. And I'm pretty surprised myself. Check that out. So, I cannot resist. Let's go meet the elephant. You guys, we are going to have a elephant ceremony. So let's see how this goes. This is crazy. So this is kind of what I wanted to do last time when we saw these guys, but they had come in and they were gone already and it was too late. So now they just pulled up and we grabbed them. So we are gonna get this done. We're gonna have some kind of ceremony, some flowers, some offering. Elephants here in Thailand are good luck, of course. So this is cool.
So I gonna make a fish. That's what it is, both of us.
Okay.
Make a fish.
So here, hold on.
Yeah.
Well, I didn't shower yet this morning, but I did now. That was the weirdest one ever.
She's gonna be thank you.
Oh, Thailand, I'm telling you, you guys, you just never know.